The dog days of summer are just about here. Is your air conditioning system ready to handle them? Don't risk having your air conditioner break down during a heat wave, leaving you stuck living in a sweltering house. Get your air conditioner cleaned and serviced today to prevent future problems. So get prepared now for the upcoming heat by calling RF Ohl to schedule an air conditioning tune-up. Our professional, affordable, local AC repair technicians will check your system to make sure your air conditioning is ready for the demands of the summer heat. We offer a free system inspection as well as a no-obligation estimate. Plus, if you act right now by entering your name and email address next to this video, we'll send you a coupon for a $99 AC tune-up. That's $40 off the regular price. And not only that, we'll also include other valuable coupons, including discounts off the installation of a new system, as well as many others that you can use throughout the year, worth over $1,200. So go ahead and enter your name and email address and get these valuable savings right now.